You set?
Yeah.
What's the matter?
That's just, dude, it's like, Brewman's gonna be
Yeah, I know,
ticked,
man, but
man.
you've got to
He
see
wants
this.
to eat.
I know, you got to see this place. I know you got to get home to the dogs.
Big man,
but
you know.
I know the big man wants to eat. I
Yeah.
got it. But this one,
Okay.
I'm telling you, this is the time of day that you want to see this.
This one?
This is the one to see at this
Okay.
time.
All right. I mean, hey, I get it. We work at any time of the day. It's just, you know.
Yeah, but you know,
That's-
it's all about location, 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 they say. And this
All
one
right.
here,
And you
this
see,
has the
This is
location.
the one. All right.
It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhouse,
Okay.
Cape May Point.
Oh.
And when I say Cape May Point, man, it is right at the point.
Nice.
We're virtually right on top of the water. We have our beach access right across the street.
Right.
So you walk out and you're literally 15 steps away from having your toes in the sand.
Other side of those dunes, right?
Right
That's
on the other
beach?
side of those dunes, and the access is right across that street we just parked on.
Nice.
Yeah.
Too bad I wasn't a little bit higher and I could see the water.
Oh, you want to see the water?
Oh yeah. Can I see the water?
You can see the water. Let's go see the water. The beauty of the house, the new
Okay.
gas fireplace, showing all the bedrooms.
Okay. So this is gonna let me see the beach, huh?
This is going to let you see the ocean, buddy. This is what you want to be looking at.
Oh yeah, I like that. Look at
There
that.
it is. Check it on out. Told
Dude,
you.
at sunset will be awesome.
This is the time of day to see this property here.
All right.
Imagine sitting out here every night during the summer, having an
Yeah.
adult beverage, watching that sunset every single night.
I like it. All right. Well, I'm
What it's all about.
glad I came at this hour of the day.
Yeah. So this is Cape Avenue, Cape May Point.
Yeah.
This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhouse, man. This is you spend your glory days right here.
Absolutely. I like it.
If you're looking for a golden opportunity to own a home down here in Cape May, I have an opportunity for you where I'm standing right now here in Cape May Point. You're minutes away from downtown Cape May. However, you are in the quiet neighborhood of Cape May Point. And virtually in this 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhouse, you are directly across the street from beach access. You are somewhere between 20 to 25 steps to having your toes in the sand right outside your front door. You get to watch these beautiful sunsets each and every single day from one of the 3 decks this home features. It also features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. All the bathrooms have been updated. The kitchen is brand new. And you also have a feature point of a gas fireplace that is just ideal and nice and cozy for those little cooler evenings that we might have here in the fall or in the spring. But right with this property here, its ideal location, again, is right across the street on Cape Avenue, right here, the Cape Ave Beach access.